Hey Jim, this is Bobby, and this is your free action plan video that I promised. It's going to give you a couple of tips on what you can do to build your online presence and grow your clientele. So the first thing I noticed is that you don't have a website, but you do have a Facebook page. And when I scrolled down, I noticed that you have this link right here on your Facebook page, but whenever I click it, it brings me to this site right here, which basically means that jbutlerconstruction.com is up for grabs and that anybody can buy it. If you want to buy this as your website, don't buy it here. Just give me a call and I can find better offers for you. So I want to show you a keyword that I looked up. I have this tool called Ahrefs, and it gives me information on a lot of different things. I typed in roofing Arlington, Texas, because I noticed that that's one of the services that you offer. It's showing me right here that every month it has a search volume of approximately 100 searches. So it's also showing me right here that it has a cost per click value of $20. So that means if you have a Google ad for roof in Arlington, Texas, then you'll pay $20 each time somebody clicks on your ad. It's also showing me that it has a keyword difficulty ranking of 13, which is medium. Keyword difficulty is based on a scale of 0, meaning the easiest, and 100, meaning the hardest to rank. So now I'm going to show you what happens whenever we do a Google search. I typed in the same keyword. This first section right here is the ad section. So each time somebody clicks on one of these links right here, these companies are going to pay $20. The next section here is the map pack. This is where your Google My Business page is listed. So the top 3 spots right here are John Wade Quality Tops and Joe Hall. I noticed that none of them are yours, but I'm going to show you why. One of the main ways that brings you up here is the number of citations you have. So your citation is your name, address, and phone number exactly the way you have it listed right here. And you put your citation in as many directories throughout the internet as possible. So as I click John Wade Roofing, because they're number 1, it populates his GMB page, and it's showing me another reason why he's here is because he has 75 Google reviews. You see the next one has 68, and then they have 108. So in order for you to beat them at that, you need to have 2 or 3 times the amount as the top 3. A third thing that's bringing him on top is by the amount of pictures that he has. So the pictures need to be saved as keywords, such as roofing Arlington, Texas. As I look on this local citation finder, it's telling me that he has 48 citations. So in order for you to beat them here, you need to have maybe about 100 or 150 citation listings. The next section under the map pack is the organic section, and this is where your website is listed mainly based on the amount of content you have. And as I scroll down, I notice that you are not on the top page either, but your top competitor, Joe Hall Roofing, is. And one of the biggest ways to get here on the first page is by having at least 1,000 to 150 words on your first page. So as I click on Joe Hall Roofing, his page populates. Where did it go? Okay, and he doesn't have a whole lot of content. So I use a word counter, and it's showing me he has 573 words on his page. So in order for you to outrank him here, you need to have maybe 1,500 or 2,000 words on your page. But it's not just words alone. It has to be keyword rich content. As I go back to Ahrefs, I typed in his website right here so I can break it down and see other reason why he's number 1. So we see that he has 94 organic keywords on his website, and he has 790 backlinks. So a backlink is whenever your website is on another relevant website's page pointing back to you. And so Your backlinks need to be strong in power. So we see right here he has a lot of backlinks, but it has a low power. So 0 is no power at all, and then 100 is going to be the most power. So what we would do for you is get you a lot of backlinks with a higher domain rating. So his backlinks and his organic traffic is bringing him a total organic value or total organic traffic volume each month of 99 visits. So just for giggles, I went ahead and I typed in the J Butler Construction, and you basically have no information. So when you're ready to create a website, you can use this link, or we can think of another link that suits you better. So basically, Jim, those are the top 3 things that I wanted to talk to you about: citations, content, and backlinks. Using those 3 things will help get you on the first page of Google. I hope this video helps you out, and I can't wait to hear what you think. Talk to you soon.